In this video, we're going to be discussing 3 mistakes when selling your home. Now, you've probably heard some pretty common selling mistakes, but I want to go over 3 that I believe can really affect your ability to get offers or multiple offers. First and foremost is going to be your showing availability. Now, in a changing market where more people are working from home than ever before, as agents, we've had to adapt to that. And so we've actually been able to fix our showing schedules to say, hey, if you're working from home, these are the hours Monday through Friday that's going to be available for showing. However, on the weekends, it's wide open. So we're getting our sellers get out of the house and funnel as many buyers as you can. Well, this all comes down to expectations. If you say your home's available, then make it available. If you have a difficult showing schedule or you've got odd hours, talk to your agent about that, because as long as we have right expectations to set with the buyers will adjust their schedule. However, if it says that it's open 7 days a week for all hours, and every time they go to make a request, they get a decline because the seller says no or it's unavailable, that actually is going to make it look really bad on the seller. So if you're thinking of selling your home, kind of think about what your availability to allow people in your home is going to be. You can set that expectations, and so the buyers will adjust to your schedule. The second mistake, of course, I have to talk about cleanliness. When buyers walk through your home, they are going to be taking it all in. It is a feeling. When they say this is the one, it's everything. It's the right price, the floor plan, it's gorgeous inside, but it smells clean, it looks clean, it's decluttered. So they're going to be looking at baseboards. They're going to look at your fans to see if things are caked up there. They're going to look to see if you're taking care of it. Never do you want a buyer to walk out of your home going, ugh, that was gross. And yes, we live in our homes. However, even if you're able to have friends, have a cleaning party, or if you are able to afford someone to come and do a deep clean on your home, it's going to come back to you in spades. You're going to get great feedback. And the third most important one, of course, I wouldn't be an agent if I didn't talk about pricing. So pricing the home correctly, there's multiple strategies. You can start low and do auction style and have it bid up. In a low inventory, it seems like it is that way anyway. But in any market, overpricing is an absolute killer for you. All the time I hear sellers say, well, let's start high. And because someone's gonna come in, they're gonna lowball me anyway, and we'll just meet in the middle. Well, right there is the exact reason you need a real estate agent, that type of thinking, because never would we want you to negotiate down. When you start high, you've already lost. You've already put yourself in the mindset that you're negotiating your price down. So we want to price your home where it's competitive, where it's going to attract buyers and multiple offers so that they're gonna want to bid your price up. If anything that this great market has taught us and taught sellers is that when your home is priced right, people will fight for it and they will bid the home price up, which is ultimately a much better strategy. And never has a buyer looked at a home that's been sitting on the market and say, I think I should give that seller full price. As we say on our team, the longer it sits, the less you'll get. So keep these 3 strategies in mind when you're thinking of selling your home.